Hello everyone, and I welcome you all to Collaborative. This is Khushbu here, your trainer for Internet of Things. First, let me give you introduction about Collaborative, that is Technology Academy for Competency Training. Collaborative is an initiative started by Collabra, a $550 million US-based IT staff augmentation company. It aims at providing training to qualifying professionals and students on emerging technology. Now, Collabra, being into IT staffing business for more than 24 years now, we have been seeing the changes into the IT trend over the years, and with our huge network of clients, we can also see what will be in demand in the upcoming years on the basis of requirements of our clients. And hence, Collaborative is going to bridge this demand and supply gap between the training professionals on emerging technology. TACT is providing training on emerging technologies and engineering designing tools. It is very aggressive in upscaling the talent and providing relevant employment. 75% of our clients rank us in the top 3 suppliers by performance basis. And currently, TACT is offering 10 plus courses globally in emerging technologies with customized training offerings. So let's have a look about the training methodology of Collaborative. 21 hours of live online training including theory and practical sessions. For the training, you will be using the go-to training platform, that is GTT platform. Now you could see a menu bar onto your go-to training platform. You could see a mic button that is used to mute and unmute yourself. Then there will be a screen button that is used to share your screen. If in case you have any query, you want to share your screen, so you can share your screen. Then there is a hand raise button. So whenever you have any query during the live session, if you want to ask any query to me, at that time you need to press the raise a hand button. So when you press the button, I'll come to know that you have query, and then I'll unmute yourself, and then you can ask me the query. So during live session, you can have one-to-one conversation with me. Even you have any questions, you can ask in chat as well. Okay, so this is how our theory and practical sessions onto GTT platform is going to happen. Then strong and focus on core concepts. What all course content we are offering, it's industry standard course content. The practicals, the theories, everything will be included onto the basis of the industry standards. 24/7 LMS support to cater to trainee whenever needed. We have a learning management system portal. So with this portal, what all training sessions that we are going through, all the live sessions will be recorded and it will be uploaded on the LMS portal. So if you have missed the session due to any of the reasons, then you can definitely go to the LMS portal. You can view all the sessions. Even all the assignments will be uploaded on the LMS. All the material, study material, all the videos, anything related to the training sessions, everything will be uploaded on LMS. So you will be sharing the LMS portal with us. Then once you are done with the training, there will be an examination, and that examination will be conducted after 1 month or 1.5 months of your training, depending on the course curriculum. First you go to the examination, then your evaluation will be done. So your evaluation will be based on your attendance in the training, then the assignments that we are going to provide to you, then the project, final project, and the examination. So once you are done with all these, we will evaluate you and then accordingly we'll certify you. So we'll be awarding you with a certification. And once you are done with the certification, we will help you for preparing a resume and also preparing you for the interview preparations. Okay, so this is what about the training methodology, which makes Collabra a differentiator from other training companies or institutes. Now, Internet of Things. Before moving further, I would like to discuss that what we are going to cover in the training, all the theory modules as well as the practical modules. First, we'll discuss on what is IoT, its need, why IoT came into existence, Then we'll have a look into what Gartner and McKinsey have to say about IoT market trend, about the IoT analysis, and which are the companies investing in IoT. Further, we'll look upon the different challenges that exist, like the interoperability between devices, scalability in addressing an infrastructure, routing and scalability, and security aspects related to IoT. Next, we'll discuss the different use cases of IoT like smart homes, wearables, self-driving cars, smart cities, then healthcare applications, and many more. Then detailed explanation of each layer of IoT architecture, starting from application layer, cloud platform layer, communication layer, and physical layer. So we'll go in deep of all these layers, which are the components that exist on these layers. We'll discuss each one of them in detail. Then coming to the hardware part, you will get in-depth knowledge of all the sensors, their applications. Also we'll take a look about the different development boards like Arduino, Intel Galileo, Raspberry Pi. We'll have a deep understanding of all these boards because each one of these are beast in themselves. So all these development boards. Yes, I think Unmesh has a question. Yes, Unmesh, please go ahead.
The trainer, I have a question that is when we'll be using this sensors, right? Then we'll be able to know the applications and the working of each sensors.
Yes, definitely. While we are doing practicals with these sensors, I will also let you know what are the different applications related to these sensors and how they work. All right?
Okay, thank you.
No problem. So then we'll have understanding of the technical details of each of these communication technologies and communication protocols. So we'll discuss Zigbee, Z-Wave, Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, MQTT, all seen, all lines, RFID. So we'll discuss many of the communication technologies and protocols in detail. Then next we have overview of cloud computing. So we'll discuss what is cloud computing, its history, different deployment models, cloud providers, service models, and different types of web services that are available in cloud computing. So we'll discuss each one of them in detail. Then next, we'll also look upon the features of IoT cloud platform, which should be the features which are the characteristics of cloud platform. So we have device management, connection and communication management, SIM management features, IoT tooling, rules engine, standards, analytics, how analytics is going to take place on cloud platform, and how reporting are generated from the analytics that we do on cloud platform. I think Pawan has some question. Yes, Pawan, go ahead. What's your question?
Trainer, are we going to discuss any of the cloud platform in detail? And I have one more question. Like, will we get a demo of how the cloud platform works?
Yeah, definitely, Pawan. We are going to discuss three of the cloud platforms, Exida, Xively, and Carriots. And in Carriots, actually, we are going to use Carriots as for our practicals. So we'll have a demo of how actually we can send data from our device to the Carriots cloud platform and how the data analysis and notification and everything takes place on cloud platform. So definitely you will be getting a demo for one platform, that is the Carriots cloud platform. All right.
Yeah, that's okay. Thank you so much.
Welcome. Then next, we'll have a look on all the different platform vendors, and few of them we'll be discussing in detail. And we'll discuss Carrot's platform in much detail, like we'll know how we can send data, how we can view the data that we have already sent, how we can create alerts for this data that are being analyzed, listeners. So we'll demonstrate each of the features in detail for the Carriots platform. All right. Yes, I think Monica has some question. Yes, Monica, please go ahead with your question.
Hi Khushbu, I wanted to know, so you said we are going to use Carriot as our cloud platform. I wanted to know if it is free or paid.
Carriots is a free version right now. Like some of the capabilities of the cloud platform are free for you. So you just need to create an account on Carrot's platform and you can use the different features of Carrot's platform. So yeah, for a few features it is free, but then if you want to use more features of Carrot's platform, then definitely you need to pay for it.
Okay, Khushbu, thank you.
Yeah, no problem. So the last module consists of the security module. So here we'll discuss the different security threats like physical, embedded, or platform related, and also the mitigations that are related to such security threats like physical device attack, network side attack, and IoT platform threats. Now, this was about theory sessions. Coming to the practical sessions, we'll be doing information gathering. That is, we'll connect to a microcontroller with the different sensors like PIR sensor, humidity sensor, temperature, LDR, ultrasonic distance sensor. So we'll connect all these sensors with microcontroller and we'll try to send data from these sensors. So we are going to collect information on the cloud with the help of these sensors and microcontroller. Then in gateway communication, we are going to send or check the data streams to the cloud platform using HTTP RESTful API with pull and push XML or JSON data. Plus, we'll also be using the secure API keys for gateway communication. Then we'll do information processing. We are going to store our data into NoSQL big database of carriots. We'll process the data and convert those data into useful information. With big data analytics, we are going to create business rules and configure listeners and alarms for devices. So we can trigger alarms based on specific conditions and we can create programs and deploy them based on particular condition. Then we are also going to visualize all these analytics process so we can capture data and we can view in the form of graphs, in the form of pie chart or different types of charts. So we can display these visuals onto the cloud platform itself. Yes, I think someone has some question. Yes, Vishnu, go ahead with your question.
I have a question, trainer. That is, will the I have two questions. I can say that will the kit will be delivered from your end, or we have to get it from somewhere?
No, once you get registered, like the kit will be sent to you on your mailing address. So you'll get the kit from your at your home itself. No need to buy it.
Okay, thank you. And the second question is, what will be the contents of the kit?
The content will be a microcontroller, one Ethernet shield, and the different peripherals like connectors, sensors, breadboard. So it's combination of a kit wherein you can create whole IoT application or whole IoT solution.
Okay,
Okay?
thank you, trainer. Yep, thank you.
Yeah, no problem. So in the end of this training, you will be able to build your own IoT solution by getting a clear idea about which are the sensors, which are the different sensors, which are the different IoT gateways, cloud platforms. So based on your application, you can choose any one of them. Okay. Uh, and also the training is designed in such a way that it becomes very easy for the participants to grab the knowledge of IoT and become, a part of the IoT revolution, I would say. So today we'll discuss a few of the topics on the training session. So first of all, tell me what actually you understand by IoT, Internet of Things. What comes to your mind when you say Internet of Things? Can any one of you share with me? Anything what you feel like what is internet or what is Internet of Things? Yes, Unmesh, you want to say something? For you, what is internet?
I feel according to it, it is a world of the things on which we are able to, convey our messages, connect to the people, and do the things and interrelate the things.
Yes, true. We all are actually related to internet in one or the other way. Like internet is everywhere. People are using internet to upload lots of data, snaps, audios, documents, and videos, right? So here, this is a beautiful picture of Internet of Things, which depicts that it consists of people, it consists of end devices, business, security, objects, networks, standards. So when we talk about internet, when we talk about internet is internet of people, right? We have different people connected with internet, so they are sharing their data on different social media sites. So internet is a digital fabric that is woven into each one of us life. And today we have internet of things. So earlier it was internet of people, which changed the world, and now we have internet of things, that where things are communicating with each other like we do, like people do, through speaking, hearing, senses like taste, smell, touch, sight. So now imagine if things are given the ability to sense, touch, and communicate, then accordingly things can communicate with each other. And this is what we call as Internet of Things, where things are communicating with each other. So this is what is the definition of Internet of Things. It is a network of physical objects or things embedded with electronics, software, sensors, and connectivity, so we can achieve greater value and service by exchanging data between them. So we can gather data, we can analyze those data, distribute those data, and turn those data into information, knowledge, and ultimately wisdom. So in this context, IoT becomes immensely important, and the data value is very important for IoT. Now let me give you one example. Let me make you aware about what is IoT, what is the amazing world of IoT. Here I'm talking about the world blanketed with millions of sensors, and these sensors are taking information from real objects that run the world, uploading it to the internet. So today, technology is marking your every move with these sensors and changing your surrounding that suits you the best. Now, for example, you just entered your room, which has a sensor inbuilt like the climate sensor, the music sensor, lighting, and decor. So once you enter your room, the room will come to know how your day was based on the office calendar up on your phone, and based on the biosensors that are detecting your stress via blood pressure and heart rate. So immediately your music system will come to know and start soft and soothing music for you. Then the climate sensor will come to know from your clothes and outside weather what temperature it needs to be adjusted in the room and which suits you. Now, when you're walking to the refrigerator will tell you not only what all stuffs are present in the refrigerator, but also which are stuffs, what you can make out of those stuffs, and which is good for your mood, for your activity level, and your even diet chart. So this is how these sensors are actually understanding every move of yours, every mood of yours. And on the software side, we are talking about the algorithms. Like these algorithms will act actually how you can predict what you want, actually what you wanted, right? So before you want it, it is actually going to predict what you want. So this was the amazing world of sensors and the Internet of Things. Now let's move ahead, that why do we need IoT? What is the need? What is the requirement of IoT in our life? So first thing is convenience. IoT makes your home appliances very more responsive and self-aware. For example, your microwave getting switched off on its own, your favorite music player starts playing as soon as you step into the workstation or your bedroom with the right temperature for you. So these all things comes into convenience, right? So next is decision making. So whether you are running out of your grocery at home or the inventories in your company, you can monitor just anything with the help of IoT. So you can easily collect all the information and decide on what you need to purchase and stock on. So with the help of self-analyzing devices, you can take decisions. Next is cost saving. Customers and organizations can benefit from improved asset utilization, like smart meters that eliminate the manual meter reading, right? The service improvement, remotely you can monitor any of your devices, any of your assets, even doctors can monitor the patient's health from remotely. So this is how your cost will be saved. The next advantage is improved asset utilization. With improved tracking of assets using sensors and connectivity, your businesses can benefit from real-time insights and visibility into their assets and supply chain. So this is how you can improve your asset utilization. Then remote control access. The cutting edge technology of IoT, it enables your smartphones to remotely access your devices, monitor your devices, and track your devices. So with the help of these smartphones, tablets, laptops, you can remotely access any of your devices. Better living. Now, as a massive network of devices, IoT promises to improve your living standards from inside your home to everywhere you go. So, new functionalities, self operating ways, higher productivity, and timely solutions are being offered by IoT, making your day to day life smarter and more modernized. Safety and security. With IoT, you can ensure situational awareness, you can ensure safety of your own people. So a lot of data and information in the form of clippings can be collected through video cameras that may be installed at various places. So such incidents can be watched and can be helpful to catch hold of the criminals. So it becomes very safe and secure for your people, for elderly people, for children. So this is how, this is why IoT is so essential today. It gives all these advantages, even more of them which I have not listed. Now let's have a look on the different use cases of IoT. So we have here smart home, wearables, self-driving car, smart city, healthcare. When we talk about wearables, so fitness bands to track the individual needs are there in the market. Maybe some of you must be using such as step counting, sleep tracking, 24/7 heart rate monitoring, and smart alarms. Then self-driving cars. So with self-driving cars, you can sense the environment, you can navigate without human input, you can change the music system, you can change the temperature, or you can have hold on brakes, and many such advantage features are there in self-driving cars. Then smart cities. In smart cities, we have different examples like traffic and transport monitoring, smart parking, pollution monitoring, energy management, smart healthcare. Then communication system can be smart retail, smart supply chain. So these are the few examples of a smart city. Now let's discuss what is a market study, what the market have to say. So Gartner, being a researcher company, it says that Internet of Things has been identified as one of the peak emerging technology in IT, as noted in Gartner's IT hype cycle. So here in the hype cycle, you can see the emergence and adoption and maturity impact on applications of specific technologies. So for Internet of Things, it will be 5 to 10 years for market adoption. It will take 5 to 10 years for market adoption. So Internet of Things is on the top of the Gartner's IT hype cycle. Then McKinsey, that is one of the analysts, has analyzed that, predicted that the installed base for Internet of Things devices are going to grow from 10 billion to 30 billion by 2020, but now it has been predicted that it is going to be more than 50 billion devices connected in 2020. So imagine, currently we have 10 billions of devices connected to internet, but by 2020 we'll be having 50 billions of devices connected. And from the US news, we came to know that 7.5 billions of people are still alive, will be alive in 2020. So imagine 6.6 objects per person. So this is the ratio how people are going to be dependent on these devices, on IoT. So each person will be dependent or will be connected with 6.6 objects. So this is how IoT revolution is going to affect the world and make it the amazing world, right? So that's it for today's session. So we'll discuss more about the IoT challenges and the different IoT communication protocols in next sessions. So thank you so much for being online.